We are now going to talk about PAN services that is used for the main form, that is 49A, is used for many purposes. 1. Individual on or above 18 years to get minor PAN card. Minor those who are attained 18 years till attaining 18 years. On the next day he becomes major or individual. Third point, owner of a company should take a PAN card to run his financial activities or transaction on behalf of his company. Next, firm owner of a firm should take a PAN card to run his financial activities or transaction on behalf of his firm. Likewise, government institution, association of persons, partnership deed, partnership firm, body of individuals, local authority, artificial judicial persons, limited liability person, partnership, or trust. Trust means uh, where people are getting benefited from the trust. They are getting financial assistance from many sources, whether it may be in India or other from foreign countries. Those give the donation by which they have run the trust to help other peoples. Other peoples are also needed people. The definition may please be discussed with your auditor or accountant or in Google, Wikipedia, which has the great value of content in respect of all subjects. Do not go anywhere else. All is available at your hands. Use Google or Wikipedia. Next. Next, we need what are the documents to be attached to the forms. List of proof of address, identity, proof of identity, and proof of address (POA). Please check from the UTITSL and UDI. The list in which the documents have been enumerated as per appendix enclosed here. In detail, you may like to check the list of documents to be attached for the various purposes, like what are the documents to be attached for address, identity, that means facial identity, and address where you are residing in the country. Important points while submitting composite service forms, that is called correction form. It is very necessary to correct the form to correct your PAN card without mistakes. What are the reasons for correction of spelling mistakes? Please make complete corrections in your Aadhaar first. Example, applicant name is Ravi Kumar C. Father name is Chinnaya. Get your name in Aadhaar duly changed as Ravi Kumar Chinnaya. Reason, it will be matched with UDI data and will help you in many ways to matching with the Aadhaar data with PAN data. How and why should we make correction in PAN card? The same may please be found in your transfer certificate as Ravi Kumar C. C or C Ravi Kumar. You can check your TC or mark sheet also. There may be one of it. It can be clarified with the Aadhaar data. Son of Chinnaya gives a clear picture for name explanation of his father. Likewise, spelling mistakes in father name and date of birth also you can correct in PAN card data to be used forever. This is the better way to change your name prefixed with your father name or suffix his name with your name, whatever you applicability. If you want name as is in your TC, either K Ramachandran or Ramachandran K, his father name is Kannan. K is equal to son of Kannan. It is father name. How to write the name in the forms either 49A or individual form or composite service form. It means correction form. Last name Ramachandran Kannan. First name Des, middle name Des. Name to be printed as Ramachandran Kannan as per data in the Aadhaar card. It is not necessary to split first name, last name. You can write straightway in the last name. Each letter filled with each box will be filled with one letter. Ramachandran. Ramachandran Kannan. There is a one space in between two words. You have to give one box as space. Tomorrow session longer, if your name is longer than 25 letters, then how to write in the form. We will explain tomorrow. Tomorrow also we will discuss about yoga and small exercises. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we can see you.